My name is Tommy and give you a brief tutorial of the control panel. And to do that couldn't be more simple. The first thing you are going to do is power the unit on. That is going to give you that crystal clear display. One press on the dial, that is going to blink up your temperature. From there you can go from increments of 5 degrees up or down depending on where you want to be. And as you can see, this pit has a temp reading of 160 at the low point. That is going to be perfect for stuff like beef jerky, and you can raise that all the way up to 450. That is piping hot, and that is going to be perfect to grill up, say, some burgers or a nice steak. So to power off the unit, again, couldn't be more simple. You are just going to hold that power button, wait till it flashes off, and it is going to take about 10 minutes for that fan to stop, for that unit to safely power down. Sticking around the back, you are going to get a pellet dump. Now moving the pit around to the front, you are going to see down below, you are going to get some nice storage. So you are going to get a 20-pound hopper, which is going to give you 20 hours of non-stop cooking, certainly enough time to do that overnight brisket. A manual feed feature, you are going to get some locking casters, a grease management system, and how about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controlled with an easy-to-use app that is going to work on both Android and Apple. And of course, like all Z grills, you are going to be constructed of some heavy-duty material.